Welcome everyone to our KaggleX showcase. My name is David Ramirez. I'm joined by Kiran. We're going to be speaking about empowering the women of the country of Nepal within geospatial AI. I've worked as a data scientist within the computer vision and geospatial imagery domain. I've done lots of different projects, and a big part of that applied project is project leadership and project scoping to try to find the machine learning problem within someone else's data or their problem.
Hey everyone, I'm Kiran Verma. I'm currently working as a data scientist at PSMI, and I'm experienced in predictive modeling and also building data pipelines for advanced data analysis. I'm passionate about contributing to community through collaboration and teaching, and I'm originally from Hyderabad, India, but currently living in San Diego, California in the United States. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at the following link.
All right, so where did we get started on this project? Well, it all started with a post on LinkedIn. An organization was asking for geospatial AI mentors. I've been a volunteer mentor before, and I really resonated with these goals of technology for good, empowering women in tech, and helping my friend help Nepal. And so I asked him, if you're willing to commit to this, then I'm in. And there it began, our team up with the folks of Nepal.
A little bit about the project. Naxa, which means map in Nepali, is a non-profit organization in Nepal whose mission is to solve contemporary problems through technological innovations in spatial technology. After expressing our interest to assist Naxa, we met to define the project goal and discussed whether it's related to urban mapping or climate change. Naxa mentioned about the aerial imagery dataset that they have collected over the years, which we felt would be helpful in defining the project goal. Geographically, Nepal is situated in the Himalayas, which defines its natural topography and makes it challenging to accurately map the area. Naxa tied up with the local government and collected the aerial view of the region and stitched the photographs together to form a map. Few images were warped to match the terrain, and buildings and roads were mapped for analysis. The next big question is, how can we further mine the data using AI or ML? One look at the drone images, we realized we have a high-definition data set which provides detailed view of building, water, and even the motor vehicles at the ground levels. We can also see sun reflection on water clearly, which can be helpful in detecting water areas. Drone images are generally used for surveying the land or a small area, whereas satellite images are largely used to monitor natural resources. We saw the potential to extend drone images for water detection, which can help in tracking the human and agriculture access to water, and also identify mosquito breeding grounds. As a fellow KaggleX mentees, we understand the importance of mentorship and hence agreed to mentor Naxa team in providing data guidance and introduce AI ML methods to solve this problem through our experience. Rubi Khatra is a computer engineer graduate and recipient of Geo AI Fellowship by Naxa, which focuses on empowering women in AI. Ruby has a prior experience in designing ML solutions, and she was chosen to develop this project.
So what makes an applied project? Well, we're here to mentor on that topic, and we hope that you, the audience here watching our video, will come away with a little bit of experience here. Well, it usually starts with data labeling. Ruby is using the RoboFlow tool for labeling computer vision data. Then we get into model training. We're using the YOLO object detection framework, and Ruby has made great work in implementing this. Next, model scoring. We really need to define some metrics on how to improve over time and develop better models to fit our use case. Then we need to deploy those into a business setting. And for this, we need to understand how Naxa and Nepal will use our machine learning system. Finally, we're going to get new examples. That might mean a new data collection from a drone, a new flight path, perhaps new regions of Nepal, and how are our machine learning results going to be on that new data? And finally, we're going to repeat this process maybe indefinitely to keep improving our machine learning model with the new data that's coming in. So in summary, Ruby, the Naxa Geospatial AI Fellow, has been making great progress on this. We are mentoring and meeting weekly with her. We're providing a needed service for the Nepal government, and we hope to continue this effort for a few more months. In general, machine learning scoping is a process that you might learn through experience. Projects might often fail due to the objectives that you set at the start. Creating a data set is very important for an applied project. Oftentimes, machine learning algorithms will not work out of the box without some fine-tuning. It's necessary to create your own data set, split it, and score it with your own defined methods. And that's a little bit different from a Kaggle project where those are defined for you. Thank you to the collaborators, especially Anil, who connected us with the Naxa organization. We've also received support from PyTorch Lightning, and Kiran and I are both mentored by Ball through the KaggleX Mentorship Program. Why should you volunteer as a mentor? Well, you can build your own personal leadership skills. You can support others, meet awesome people from around the world, learn something new, and certainly you can all grow together in terms of your professional skills and personal skills. So be a mentor. And that is the conclusion of our presentation. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.